Alright guys, it's time to talk about FET once again on the channel. As you can see here, it's up almost 18% right now. And yeah guys, at the moment it's getting kind of a mega pump. Now let me put this on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so it did go up a little bit earlier today, a few hours ago, consolidated, and now it's going for the next leg. So this is nice to see. Let me draw a little flag here, and let's see where this may take us, guys. So if I do this, put this like this. Now let's just take a trend line. Let's just draw this. Basically it got a nice candle here. Let's just put that right about here. And now let's move this and see where the breakout could take us. So basically the target of this breakout is about $1.87 at the moment. So yeah, I mean, that would be really nice to see, guys. Let me put this back on the daily. So you can see that FET hasn't been up here for quite some time. Basically last time was end of June. So I would like to take out that. That means we have to get above about $1, let's say $1.78. So we still have a few cents to go to make it above that. But once we get above that, I think I'm going to be quite bullish on FET once again, and would be maybe even more bullish if we got up above about $1.95, just to take out this little node there. But that would bring us basically to the upper range of this trading. And yeah, I mean, FET looking really nice. I think it's an excellent play. As you can see here, FET, Ocean, Singularity, they all formed some super alliance here. So yeah, there is 2.7 billion tokens. That's quite low too, guys. That's not much. Circulating, pretty much everything is circulating too, almost. So that's also really nice to see. All-time high so far was about 8 months ago. It was about $3.50, guys. Still 50% down from that time. So it's a steal basically at this price. Now taking a quick look here at tokenomics, guys, it looks like that there's going to be some upcoming event just after Christmas. 0.13 of circulating supply will be released, but that's not that much, guys. Really, when you consider it, it's it's fine. Now let's take a quick look here at Bitcoin. Basically, I would like to see Bitcoin close above this trend line. That means it has to get up to about 97,000, and then I believe it will continue towards its target at $100,700, which was this little triangle down here that it's formed recently. So, and then I think it will continue to the 105,000 mark, which is basically this giant consolidation that we had for months and months and months. So yeah, that's the target, guys, 105,000. And in the short term, from this little flag that we drew several days ago, right here, the breakout was 100,700. But yeah, if you see this on the 4-hour time frame, you'll see this maybe even a little bit better. We did try to break out a few days ago, got rejected though really hard, guys. We couldn't hold that line, and yeah, we pulled back all the way down to just around almost $90,500, guys. We came just short, like 90,800, 700. So yeah, we really need to push through this. But yeah, let's see what happens in the coming day or two. Tomorrow is the last trading day of this week, but it is a half day, so keep that in mind. All right, now taking a quick look at the total crypto market cap, guys. We are getting rejected once again here at this little local resistance here. That stands at about 3.28 trillion, guys. For the last week, it looks like we have 6 rejections. Probably today will be a rejection. So we really need to start closing daily candles above this. and that would signal probably some continuation here. We do have some support down at 3 trillion, but hopefully we don't, pull back that much. Now, I do believe tomorrow, we're probably going to see a little bit of upside. Today was probably a low trading day because of Thanksgiving in America. Tomorrow, though, is cut short by several hours, in like the NASDAQ and things like this. So keep in mind, tomorrow is basically a half day of trading in America. I don't know how that'll affect Bitcoin, but I'm sure it will. Now, taking a quick look at the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, it also is getting a little bit of a pullback. Now, remember, this line is the target that we're looking for out of this channel. So, where it was consolidating for months and months and months. So right now, getting a little bit of red candle. But yesterday we did seal a green candle above this resistance of what we had for basically like 4 of the previous days before yesterday. And today we kind of have retested that. So that's kind of nice to see. So maybe tomorrow, like I said, when we get some more trading, I think, we'll probably continue up, guys. So taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance, today it is getting a slight green candle down here, guys. But you can see it did get rejected here. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, it did get rejected. So this line is, proving to be resistance, which is good for us. Now there is support down here at about 58, 0.09%. If we can break through this support, the next support for, the dominance is down here at 57.55. So let's see, guys. Altcoins didn't really suffer that much today. I'm glad to, see that. But yeah, we did, get a slight candle here, green candle. So I'm taking a quick look at altcoin season index here. We are at 63. I just refreshed this right before the video. It was 61. So we are inching our way up, guys. Like I said in previous videos, basically once we got across this, mark here, which is about 50, I told you guys we were going to fly very quick. So that's what we're doing right now. We're almost officially in altcoin season. In my opinion, that's going to come very, very soon. Maybe even by December, which is only a few days, guys. I mean, that could really come quickly. You can see we went from a 33 just on the 21st of November all the way up to 63. And that's only a week, guys. So we only need a few more points here, basically 12 more, points on the index, and we're in altcoin season officially. So yeah, I mean, it could come in the next few days. Maybe when Bitcoin is a little bit boring on the weekend, maybe altcoins will pump again. So yeah, we just have to wait and see. One thing I'm not really happy to see is that we did tick back up on the fear and greed. Yesterday we were 75, guys. So I still would like this to cool off a little bit more, to get under 70, maybe 60 to 70. I think that would be kind of a safe range. But the good thing is we're not in the 90s anymore. So now the Fed Watch tool says that 2/3 still expect a quarter-point cut. Today, earlier, this was at 70, so I'm not really sure what happened today to make it tick back down. But anyways, 33% believe in no cut. But, we only have, about 3 weeks from now. So it's getting closer, guys. I do personally believe we're going to get a quarter-point cut myself, though. Now, taking a quick look at crypto bubbles, guys. Most projects are in the red tonight. But, a few projects like FET, ENS, Virtual, IMX, Render, things like this are in the green. But, from this point yesterday, yeah, we might be slightly down. But my altcoin bag is actually pretty high. My portfolio, basically, it's entirely alts. And it's doing pretty good tonight. So, some of these are like 8% down. But most of these are only a couple percent down. I would say that's probably the average, 1-2%. So yeah, we're not suffering that bad, guys. I think alts are doing fine. Now, if you want to stake your coins, basically you can go to Coinondo, type in whatever coin. This is Bitcoin, just to show you as an example. But they give you a bunch of exchanges, and you can choose what you want. Just be careful, guys. Make sure you look at the time that you have to stake, look at the limit and things like this. You can update up here how many coins you have, and it'll give you the amount that you should get per day. So yeah, I mean, it's a really good tool. I do use this quite a bit, and I do move coins around quite often, for staking reasons. So anyways, guys, yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.